Have you ever wished there was a simple morning drink that could ease bloating, improve digestion, and even help trim stubborn belly fat? The good news is there is, and it doesn't involve expensive supplements or complicated routines. Just 5 natural ingredients, easily found in your kitchen, can make a noticeable difference when used together. For centuries, people relied on nature's simple remedies for health and balance. Today, science confirms that everyday foods and spices can improve digestion, boost metabolism, and reduce inflammation. Here are 5 powerful ingredients that make an effective morning drink. Number 1. Warm water. Starting your day with warm, not boiling, not ice-cold water helps wake up your digestive system. It relaxes the stomach and intestines, encourages smooth movement of food, and supports natural enzyme release. It's like giving your body a gentle nudge to start the day right. Number 2. Apple cider vinegar. This fermented apple tonic is rich in acetic acid and natural enzymes. It can help balance blood sugar, reduce cravings, and support fat metabolism. Apple cider vinegar has also been linked to improved digestion, lower LDL cholesterol, and stronger immune defense. Number 3. Lemon juice. Fresh lemon juice is packed with vitamin C and antioxidants. It stimulates digestive juices, reduces bloating, and has an alkalizing effect once processed by the body. Lemons also help with nutrient absorption and give your immune system a natural boost. Number 4. Ginger. Known for centuries as a healing root, ginger calms the stomach, eases nausea, and reduces inflammation in the gut and joints. It also improves circulation, supports energy, and gently boosts metabolism. Number 5. Cinnamon. This warming spice helps regulate blood sugar and reduces the chance of sugar being stored as belly fat. Cinnamon also improves gut health by balancing bacteria and offers antioxidants that protect the body from damage. When combined, these 5 ingredients create a natural blend that reduces bloating, improves digestion, balances metabolism, and supports overall health. The drink is simple to prepare. 1 to 2 cups warm water, 2 to 3 tablespoons lemon juice, 1 tablespoon raw apple cider vinegar, a few slices or half teaspoon grated fresh ginger, and a pinch 1/4 teaspoon ground cinnamon. Mix and enjoy it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Drink daily for 10 days, then take a short break before repeating. Many notice lighter digestion, reduced bloating, and better energy within the first week. This is more than just a drink. It's a way to reconnect with natural wellness. A small daily habit built on simple ingredients can bring lasting benefits for digestion, weight balance, and vitality.